Improving police officer safety, saving time, and improving accuracy and decreasing cost are all overarching themes or goals when reviewing processes related to law enforcement. In the case of a traffic stop, all 4 goals can be successfully achieved with the creative application of barcode hardware and software technologies. Huzzard Systems is excited to introduce Read and Feed, a simple yet powerful automated data collection and automated data transfer application that, when implemented, will improve officer safety, save time, improve accuracy, and decrease cost. Currently, a police officer is often required to manually enter data relevant to the ID of the driver, and in some cases the passengers, in a stopped vehicle. The required data is typically taken from a driver's license and typed into a program via the laptop in the patrol car. The information is entered into a program such as eTime, Spillman, or Trax to aid in the person or vehicle search. This manual data entry process is time-consuming, prone to error, especially with long strings of data like a DL number, and it takes the eyes of the officer off of the vehicle and the person or persons. The Huzzard Read and Feed data transfer app offers a much better way to handle the data in 3 easy steps. First, USB connect the Huzzard Code Corp data collector data transfer handheld device to a laptop or standalone computer. Then, select the program, eTime, Spillman, or Trax, that the data will be transferring to. And lastly, scan the barcode on the driver's license with the Huzzard Code Corp handheld device. That's it. Done. The data automatically populates fields in eTime, Spillman, or Trax on the computer. It is estimated that the Huzzard Read and Feed data transfer app will save at a minimum 5 to 7 minutes per stop when used. A police department that makes 3,000 stops per year and uses the app 30% of the stops will save conservatively 75 man-hours per year, easily covering the cost of 4 Read and Feed handhelds. And while other automated data entry solutions only address the ID of the owner of the vehicle being stopped, Huzzard's Read and Feed app offers the ability to collect multiple IDs and enter the data for each ID quickly, accurately, and safely. Think about that when you make a stop with 4 people in a vehicle and wish to run the DL of each person, but cringe at the idea of manually entering all of the data. Read and Feed will allow you to perform your job better. Most importantly, the officer's safety and the public at large is greatly improved with Read and Feed because the officer's eyes are able to stay with the vehicle and person or persons in the vehicle instead of glued to a keyboard. One other added feature of Read and Feed that officers have found especially helpful is the recall button, which allows the officers to recall the data from the last license scanned. The recall feature enables the officer to complete the stop, get the driver on their way, and then resume processing necessary admin work by recalling the DL data automatically and populating eTime, Spillman, or Trax. The initial release of the Huzzard Read and Feed app optimizes eTime, Spillman, and Trax data entry. Integration with other databases and programs is possible too. The Huzzard Systems development team looks forward to working with your department and helping you realize improved officer safety, shorter traffic stops, more accurate data entry, and decreased cost. Please contact us at 1-800-321-9094 or huzzard.com to arrange for a free on-site demonstration and discuss your current data entry processes and where meaningful improvements can be made.